Hey guys, Alan with the Grilling Network. Welcome. Glad you could join us today. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and click on that bell icon. That way you get a notification when I upload new videos. Today we're going to be cooking beer can chicken on our GrillaGrills. Let's get cooking. As I mentioned, we're using our GrillaGrill. I have it preheating to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The cook time for this beer can chicken ranges anywhere from 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. We'll be checking on that periodically. Quite simple. Just for my family, we have a large family. I'm going to use 2 small birds. Quite simple. I'm going to spray it with some Pam. That way the rub that we're going to apply to it adheres to it. I'm using black latex gloves for safety. That way we don't cross-contaminate stuff. Make sure you hit everywhere around this bird. I'll just do this one too. We're using the all-purpose rub from Meat Church. This is one of my favorite all-time rubs. Make sure you guys check him out. He's got a variety of rubs for all kinds of occasions. Just liberally apply this all over the bird. After liberally applying some all-purpose rub, it's time for the second coat. For that, I'm using Meat Church's garlic and herb. Just lightly dust the chicken. When it comes time to choosing a beer for your beer can chicken, I like using a more fruitier beer. For this cook, we're using a pineapple and apricot infused beer that's going to be spectacular. Pour out 1/3 of the beer. Place your chicken over the can. And then we're going to toss this inside the smoker. We'll make sure that we hit this again with some rub. We'll do that next. We have our GrillaGrill preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The cook time for these 2 birds is around 1 hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours. Right around the 1.5 hour mark, we'll start checking for doneness. The breasts we're shooting for 160 to 165, the thighs 180. We'll see you guys soon. All right, it's been 1 hour and 40 minutes. Let's check the temperature. We're using our trusty thermal pin. Again, we're looking at 160, 165 for the breast and 180 for the thigh. You want to make sure you check both areas. The reason why we're cooking at a higher temperature, like 325, is so that the skin turns into a nice and crispy. If you were to cook it like low and slow, like 235 to 250, the skin will be more rubbery, and we don't want that. So let's check the temperature. Again, check the breast. 161. The thighs at 186. 186. 164. These bad boys are ready to pull off. See if we can do that with look at that, nice golden brown, looking phenomenal. We'll let these rest for about 10 minutes and we'll carve them up. As I mentioned, we sliced up one of the birds off camera. Let's slice this one up on camera. I like separating the wings. Very simple, just a sharp knife. And then, there we go. We'll do this side. There we go, drumstick. Just have to get through the cartilage right there. We'll do this side. There's a bone right there that you have to get through. And now the breast. Get as close to the bone as you can. And what I like doing is, especially on larger breasts, is taking it off and then making thin slices out of it. As you can see, this is very juicy. Let's give this a try. Wow. That is absolutely phenomenal. The rubs, you know, definitely make this shine. The beer imparts a partial fruity flavor. It's what everybody's going for when they're doing beer can chicken. Guys, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, like the video, leave comments below, and we'll see you on the next one.